guys. Again, Happy New Year's, everyone. If you haven't watched the Bitcoin update, please watch it first before you watch this. So let's get straight to it. So XRP, guys, we know that Bitcoin just moved up, so we would see the same, relatively same pattern or movement with the altcoins. So here you can see that there was an actual on this red candle, there was a hard body close in the middle of the body, which we don't want. So again, we would move from this. When we see that confirmation on the red candle, right, we would move from here to there, and that's it. Okay. Then you would wait what would happen on the next candle. As you can see, that next candle held a daily downtrend, held daily uptrend. I'm sorry, and is now moving up. So here, go back to the 4-hour time frame. As we magnify closer into the move, we can delete this level. Oops, we can delete that level right here, and yeah, see what's going on here. So again, Bitcoin's moving up. Although Bitcoin moved out of its apex, it looks like XRP still has a daily apex to break out of. So if Bitcoin does, right, if we go back to Bitcoin and if Bitcoin does fail to break out of here and ends up falling down, right, we can also expect XRP, go back here, to respect that same trend as well. And even if it does, guys, even if it does fall here, and it's respecting the daily uptrend, there's still, we still get closer to that apex here, which happens in first week of January, right? Um, so really depending on Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin does break out of that daily, right? If we go back, Bitcoin does move up, it's going to test that next daily to 47K, and that would create a move up, probably to this daily as well. I mean, this 4 hour is actually, it's a sell point, right? There's no harm, it's not a bad sell point, guys. I don't want you to think like selling early or is a bad point. You sell and take profit, that's profit, guys. Be grateful for what you get. It's just depending on how much of a greedy trader you are, okay? It's really on you guys. So um, with that into consideration, right, if Bitcoin's going after daily, we can expect, altcoins to go after, some daily levels too. So yeah, that's XRP, TRX, guys. It's looking good on the 4 hour. So, right, the more hard closes on the 4 hour, the more chances of it hard closing on the daily. The more daily hard closes, the more chances of it breaking out of that weekly here. So that's what we're seeing. It's really looking good, guys. So finally, we're looking at some nice price action. It's just been in accumulation for so long. Um, so yeah, I mean, super important here. So even though it's not as volatile, just keep watch. It's respecting this daily uptrend, this daily support. So again, the more hard closes, the better. Okay, so keep watch on TRX. Suncoin, wah, doesn't look like it's respecting Bitcoin as much. Yeah, this is a daily, so yeah, this is actually relatively moving weak. So you can see these four green candles didn't really move up much against Bitcoin, but yeah, really nothing to TA here. It's just, I mean, let me see, maybe it doesn't look like it's gonna retest this weekly. Looks like it's just holding this 4 hour daily, right? Which is not good, right? It's the same trend I brought up, and it's retesting that same level. So really not a good sign for Suncoin. So we'll see if it can maybe on the second point that it moves down. Hopefully it creates a ladder. Let's go to the 4 hour here. Just sorry guys, I'm just curious here. Okay, so uptrend, uptrend. Okay, let's just delete this. I don't want to clutter my chart too much. Um, Actually leave that there. So we'll leave that there. So hopefully we can continue laddering up on this local 4 hour, but that'll be really good. As you can see, there's a lot of interest in selling here, guys. Look how big that wick is. There's just so much interest. But once the interest goes away, that'll result in a really big spike, hopefully up in this area. Okay. Uh, Track, guys, as you can see, oh man, this is not respecting Bitcoin at all. It's actually retesting the same daily level, and not a good sign for PZP. Maybe it could be a late mover. Maybe a late mover. This is a 4 hour, so yeah, I mean, this is only one green candle that moved up when Bitcoin moved up, and because Bitcoin's already looked like it's moving down, well, not moving down, but it's fighting against a lot of selling interest. Um, if Bitcoin does drop down, I can see it drop back down to this 4 hour, so keep that in mind. Like even if we extend this here, you can see it's still, yeah, it's still, yeah, like yeah, it doesn't really look too good. Um, Yeah, so that's the 5 coins. I do want to see, um, yeah, no, I think that's all, guys. So, really, so yeah, if you're in altcoins, really dependent on Bitcoin right now that it's moving up. Uh, you just really want to watch out if it can at least break out of this. But there's some pretty heavy resistance. So you have the daily and an untested 4 hour, and if it does reject, you still have this, 4 hour support here. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, guys. Um, hope that altcoin update was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop a comment down below, and I'll make sure I get to them. See you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.